Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of epoxy flooring. If you're considering a flooring upgrade, you won't want to miss this. You know, folks, I've seen a lot of flooring options in my time. And let me tell you, epoxy flooring is a real game changer. It's not just about looks, although it can be pretty darn stylish. It's about durability, longevity, and making your life easier. We're going to break down why epoxy flooring might just be the best decision you make for your home or business. So stick around and let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about durability. You want a floor that can withstand the test of time, right? Well, epoxy flooring is known for its incredible strength and resilience. We're talking about a surface that can handle heavy foot traffic, dropped tools, spills, you name it. This stuff is practically bulletproof. It's not like those flimsy laminate floors that scratch if you look at them wrong. Epoxy forms a strong chemical bond with the concrete substrate, creating a seamless, long-lasting surface. Trust me when I say this is a floor that's built to last. One of the best things about epoxy flooring is how easy it is to clean. It's completely seamless and non-porous, which means dirt, grime and spills can't penetrate the surface. A quick sweep or mop is all you need to keep your floors looking brand new. No more harsh chemicals or expensive cleaning products. Epoxy flooring is truly low maintenance, giving you more time to focus on the things you enjoy. We've all been there. Well, not with epoxy flooring. Its non-porous surface prevents liquids from soaking in, making it incredibly stain-resistant. Even those stubborn stains like red wine or mustard don't stand a chance against epoxy. And the best part, a little soap and water will do the trick. Safety should always be a top priority, especially when it comes to your floors. Slippery surfaces are a recipe for disaster, but epoxy flooring offers excellent slip resistance, even when wet. You can add a non-slip additive to the epoxy during installation for even more grip. This creates a textured surface that provides extra traction, giving you peace of mind, knowing your family is safe from slips and falls. Let's face it, life can be messy, whether it's in your garage, workshop, or even your kitchen. Spills happen. But with epoxy flooring, you don't have to worry about harsh chemicals ruining your floors. So go ahead, work on those projects, park your car inside, and clean up those spills without a second thought. Your epoxy floors can handle it. A clean home is a healthy home, and epoxy flooring can help you achieve just that. Well, the good news is epoxy flooring is relatively easy to repair. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, money. You might be surprised to learn that epoxy flooring is actually a very cost-effective flooring option. While the initial installation cost might be slightly higher than some other options, its durability and longevity make up for it in the long run. Epoxy flooring can last for decades with proper care and maintenance, saving you money on costly replacements down the line. Plus, its easy-to-clean nature reduces the need for expensive cleaning products and professional cleaning services. Who says you have to sacrifice style for durability? Look no further than epoxy flooring. It's a game changer. Thanks for watching. You next time.